usage of am, is, or are. With am. Here we have some examples. I am a boy. I am Olivia. I am looking so pretty. I am going to a party. I'm going to play. I'm doing my work. I'm having my breakfast. So children, am is always used with I. And remember, when I is used, is always written in capital letter. Am is not used anywhere except I. Now let's see where is used. Let's have examples. He is going to a party. He is having dinner. She is playing piano. She is writing a letter. This is a ball. That is a boat. It is a beautiful dress. He is not eating his food. She is not wearing the hat. That is not my ball. So kids, we use is with a singular thing. A hat, a desk, a person or a place. We use is with all singular naming words. Now let's see where are is used. Here are some sentences related to are. You are very nice. You are a good boy. We are going to a party today. We are going to the zoo. We are having lunch. They are not playing with us. They are watching a movie. They are going with their parents. These are my books. These are my toys. Those are not my toys. Those are very big trees. It's are is being used with all plural things. That is plural naming words or pronouns. Plants, trees, these, and they. One thing you need to remember here that are is used with plural naming words as well as you. Like, let's have some examples for this. You are a good boy. You are having dinner. Here we have learned that we can use are with plural nouns and pronouns like you, we, they, these and those. Let's have some more examples. You are looking very handsome. We are going to a party today. They are coming to my house today. These are my pets. Those are your pets. Those are when we are talking about more than one thing or person. Let's have examples. Oliver and Emily are siblings. Canada and North America are neighboring countries. Mango and apple are my favorite fruits. So children, here we have done with the explanation part of is, am, are. Now let's do some exercises. Just open page number 27. Here exercise A is related to uses of is, are and am. So use is, are, am in the blanks below. There dash two policemen waiting outside the bank. So here two policemen are there. So we have to use are here. So the sentence will be like that. There are two policemen waiting outside the bank. Second point. Mr. X dash a well-known burglar. So here Mr. X is one person. So we have to use is here. Okay. So Mr. X is a well-known burglar. Point number 3. Mr. X and Miss Z dash waiting to rob the bank. So here the sentence is talking about two person, Mr. X and Miss Z. So we have to put here are, okay, because we are talking about two person. So the sentence will be Mr. X and Miss Z are waiting to rob the bank. Next, I dash glad they were caught. So as I have already told you, we should use am with I only. Okay, so the sentence will be I am glad they were caught. The last one, sniffer dash glad too. So sniffer is talking about one person. Okay, so we have to use here is. So sniffer is glad too. So children, here we have completed this exercise. I hope you understand the usage of is, am, are well. Okay.